Hello, welcome to IMA. What is today's topic? It is about pronouns in English grammar. Do you all know he, she, it, they? What do we call all these? These are called pronouns. In English grammar, first person, second person, and third person refer to different perspectives in writing and speech. Let me explain. First person. The person is talking about themselves. The pronouns used are I, we. Example: I am studying for my exams. We are going to the park. Hope you understand it. Second person. The person is addressing the listener directly. The pronoun used is you. Example: you should try this new restaurant. Are you both coming to the party? Is this umbrella yours? You are the second person. Hope you understand it. Third person. The person is talking about someone or something else. The pronouns used are he, she, it, they. Example: he went to the store. Ram went to the store. Here, he is used to mention Ram. She is reading a book. Sneha is reading a book. Here, she is used to mention Sneha. Sneha is name, noun, and she is pronoun. Do you understand? My parents have booked the ticket. They are planning to travel next week. Here we can use they instead of my parents. They are planning to travel next week. Look at the dog. It is so cute. Here, it is used to mention the dog. Dog is a noun and it is pronoun. Hope you understand it. Hope pronoun is useful for you. Thank you.